Wise Gemini here with you again. This is the truck I've been using for Uber and Lyft. I drive for Uber and Lyft. It's a long bed 4x4 V8 5.7 liter. Gets about 11 mpg. Sits the tailgate down but not up. Not the spray liner, so it's a little less room. This is actually the Uber office right there for San Diego. A lot of people are surprised that I'm using this truck. I don't like to be like everybody else. I like to be unique. I'm a non-conformist free thinker, so I'm going to transition. I'm going to get a secondary car, the free car if you do 100 rides from Lyft. I'm going to start doing Uber Eats. See, there's a lot of noise out here, so I'm going to cut this short. I'll do another part later.